The frog stretch is a hip opener that targets the adductors on the inside of the thighs. If this is uncomfortable on the inside of your knees, I suggest you use pillows or a soft blanket as a cushion to make it more comfortable. If you're really tight and this position is too much strain on your hips, you can also add a sturdy support, such as a bench, to rest your elbows and forearms on to elevate your upper body and reduce the weight on your hips and knees. To get started, get down on the floor on your hands with your knees spread wide and an arched lower back. Keep your hips in close alignment or just slightly behind your knees. You don't want your hips to go too far back, as you may feel a pinching in the front and outside of your hips. The further out you move your heels of your foot, the more stretch you will feel. If you feel too much strain, bring your heels closer together. Settle into the position, then think about dynamically pulling your knees down into the floor and towards each other as you feel a squeeze on the inside of your thighs. As you do this, make sure you don't shift your hips too far backwards. Think about pulling in and down, not back. Complete a few dynamic in and out motions, then relax and settle into the static stretch for your desired time. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.